Hi everyone, I am Nawaz and welcome back to another tutorial of Figma Motion Interface. In this tutorial, we will walk through everything you need to understand Figma Motion Interface. For years, UI designers have faced same challenges. They are designing interface in Figma but relying on separate frame for motions, complex prototype hacks, or external tools like After Effects for designing advanced animations. That's changed today. Figma has officially introduced Figma Motion, a powerful built-in motion tool that's bring professional motion directly into your design file. And with Figma Motion, you will get features like timeline, keyframe, anchor point, motion graphics, easing, and many more. So follow me along. In this video, we will file Figma interface and we will design basic rectangle motion. We have studied about game changer, and next we have Figma main menu. On the most left side, Figma introduced new main menu panel. This panel cover following items. Here you can see file, agents, assets, tools, and variables. We have Figma toolbar. On the bottom of the Figma canvas, Figma provide the toolbar where you can see new toggle of Figma motion. Here you can see Figma motion mode. In this toolbar you get the tools like pen tool, regional tool, shape tool, creation tool, type tool, comments tool, creation tool, draw mode, design mode, motion mode, dev mode, and here is the motion mode. To activate Figma motion in Figma canvas, just tap on Figma motion mode tab. You will see the motion timeline. See the following screenshot. Here you can see we have timeline, and here is our motion mode. Follow me along and I will show you everything on the Figma interface. So guys, here is the Figma interface. On the most left panel of the Figma provide Figma main menu, files, agents, assets, tools, and variables. This panel Figma provide panel which is about Figma files, which cover file name, pages, and layers. And on the right side we have properties panel. On the bottom of Figma canvas you can find toolbar. In this toolbar you find move tool, hand tool, scale. Similarly you find frame, section, and slice tool, and here you find shape tools like rectangle, line, arrows, ellipse, polygon, star, images, and here you find draw tools like pen, pencil, text tools like text and text on path, comments. In this you can find assets, plugin, and some editing tools like make an image with the Figma AI. Along with this you can find draw mode, design mode, motion mode, and developer mode. To access Figma motion, I will click on motion mode. Once you enable it, it will provide you editor and timeline where you can define and preview your animation and also edit your animations. Currently we have no animations, so first we will learn about this timeline. Here we have the play button for turn on auto keyframes. We will learn about auto keyframes later in coming videos. Here we have loop, ping pong, and looping mode. By clicking on this collapse button you can collapse this timeline. I'm going to click on this. You can see the timeline collapsed, and I will again click on this. The timeline opened again. If you want to change the timeline timing, so you can use this slider. Here you can see the timing of the timeline have been changed. Similarly you can use double fingers of right hands. By pinching and spread you can do same things. Here you can see. Similarly you can use modifier key like command and control plus scroll mouse wheel to do same things. The best way to learn motion design, we have to start with basic animation. So here I am going to draw a basic rectangle. Here I have draw a basic rectangle. On the right panel you can see we have another option which is animation. In the front of this option we have a button which is add animation button. So I'm going to click on this button. I'm going to choose position. I want basically this rectangle move from left side to right side. So I'm not going to add any property. I'm going to work with the default options. So we have applied a position animation on this rectangle, and timeline we have a position animation frame. So I'm going to click on play button. You can see our rectangle is moving from left to right side, and here we have loop, play once, and play and ping pong option. Ping pong is basically when a rectangle move from left side to right side, then it provide another option for moving from right side to left side. And loop tool is about it again and again move from left to right side. And when I choose option for once looping, this will not play again and again, you can see. But when I will choose ping pong, you can see it is moving from left to right and right to left. And here I have loop option, so you can see it is moving from left to right side, again moving left to right side. So this was the concept of loop, ping pong and once play. So guys, if you like it, please follow me on social media and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.